Alright, so here's the sandbag for the Westcott Easy Boom. The one that I got was the one that's a 28-inch extension, which just came out. The one that was existing before that, I believe, was 14-inch extension. So I think there's something new. And this is actually the piece that I'm referring to. So this gives you more reach than what they offered before. Yeah. See, this is what we need. Be able to get in there like we want to. Here's the handle. And here is the baby pin to mount your light to it. All right. This is for the weight plates. This is the adapter for the weight plates. I actually gotta order some weight plates. I'll probably either pick up a few on Amazon or just run to Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods or somewhere that sells exercise equipment. Figured it'd probably be cheaper on Amazon, but definitely gonna get a 10-pound plate and also a 5-pound plate. And these are also just some additional accessories. Here's a safety wire also, so that if your light or something slips, pretty much have a way to save it. See, I was thinking between this boom and the Cambo, the Red Wing, but this obviously is like half the price. So, and then I also hear people saying put some metal shot in here. But I looked up the prices for that on Amazon. I got a bunch of sandbags, but yeah, on Amazon it's like $50 for 15 pounds, so it's super expensive. I probably won't even end up getting it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and put this thing together, and we will go from there. I tend to keep all my boxes, not just in case if something go wrong and I gotta send it back, but I don't know, I'm just a box collector kind of guy. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and put this bad boy together. Hopefully I took everything out of the box so I don't have to reopen it.